There is a lot of barking and running going on at the fairgrounds today. Today, the Peach Blossom Cluster Dog Show is underway at the Perry Agri Center. Almost 500 dogs took to the agility course today. Pam Rushforth, the agility chairperson, tells you about the rules.
And it's an obstacle course, and the one that goes around the fastest and doesn't make any mistakes wins.
Rushforth says that the dog shows are a great way for the owner and the dog to bond. Plus, it's a fun way to exercise and keep your dog healthy. The Peach Blossom Cluster Dog Show is at the Agri Center in Perry. It runs through this Sunday.